Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Rec Room Nostalgia video. Today, we're checking out an old game called Vibing Train. Me and my friend Colby had worked on this in the past, so let's do a trip review. Over at the front of the train, we have back and front lights of the train. We also have the main lights on the train. And then we also have some wipers to top it off. Over in the first seating area, we have multiple places to sit and even places to work out. As you can see, autopilot is currently running the train. And our next stop is on June 1st. Over here, we have a leaderboard with all the players that stayed in this room. I would like to thank you all individually for coming to play while you still could. So, you Young Placenta, Ego, Blunt, Versatile Bear 49, Tree Slushing, King, Rec Mnet, CJ Loves God, and Mario. Over here, we have an advertisement to Speedrunner, which I would check out the video if you can. We have a few text displays telling you to favorite and like the game, and these lovely, cute little plushies made by colbeysmith himself. I would recommend to give the game a try if you still can. Over here is the next section, which would be the storage section. Usually, the player would need to purchase the storage section for I believe 100 tokens. But just for funsies, let's see what is inside. Up next, we have the glass cabin. This section would again be a purchase to enter, but let's document it and see what it's about. That's pretty much all there is to this game, and that's all I wanted to document. Let's also see a bit outside of the train and how this kind of works. Outside of the train, you see the backlights here, and well, there's not much to the outside of the train. It really is just a box. Going outside, we can see that this is an optical illusion, in which the train is not moving, but it is actually the way this is achieved is I used an animation player, made this slightly longer, and then it loops to a similar position, which you will see happen now. Not all too complicated, but it's the job of trying to make a loop appear. Once again, thank you for watching these Rec Room Nostalgia videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, Rec Room, and goodbye, everyone.